All right, guys, are you ready to learn about an exciting blockchain game that is going to be launching this month? That's right. I didn't say this year. I didn't say next year. I said this month, October 2021, you are going to see Voxies out. Demo is going to be out this month. I'm super, super excited about this. This is a fantastic project that I've been a part of and been following for a long while. Token coming out. We're learning about the blockchain that it's going to be on. We have release dates. We have all kinds of new stuff. Along with it, you're going to see lots and lots of new content being created to help build the hype for this as I get near the launch. So click on the like, hammer the subscribe. Make sure you stick with me so you can learn all about this game. I'll let you know when the token launch comes around, and let's get started. Warning, I am not a financial advisor, and this is not investment advice. Seek a professional. Hey guys, did you hear the news? The NFL is about to drop their NFTs on the Flow blockchain. That's right, just like the NBA did, they're coming along too. And this is good because I got in early and have some Blocto tokens. That's right, I did an airdrop and I have $200 in free Blocto tokens, which is the only wallet that's going to be able to store these on your mobile device. So if you think that's something that's got potential, then you need to take part in these kind of airdrops too and get some free tokens. Go to getmyfreecrypto.com. That's the link I got down below here, and that's going to show you exactly how I did it, how I found this good airdrop and was able to get in early and get these tokens. And guess what? On top of getting those free tokens, I also got a chance to buy in early as an early seed investor in Flow, which is going to do even more for me when this thing takes off, all right? So I want you guys to share in this as well. I've got a free masterclass, getmyfreecrypto.com. It's going to teach you exactly how to do these airdrops. Join it. Don't miss out on this. All right, guys. Well, I was super excited to see this pop up on my Twitter feed yesterday. This just came up on October 1st, and it is official. October 22nd. That is the date that has been set for the demo of Voxies Tactics game to come out. If you don't know Voxies, I'm going to give you a good overview of it, but this is a fantastic blockchain game. NFTs, token, everything. It's been being worked on for quite a while by some really, really good game developers. And I think this is going to be a very, very fun play-to-earn game. I'm excited for it to come out. Okay? So one of the reasons that this game is so exciting to me is the team. AlwaysGeeky Games is a fantastic group of people. They came together just to do this particular project, but there's a lot of experience in video game design, video game mechanics, all those sorts of things, as well as a lot of people involved in blockchain mechanics. So if we scroll down here, we can see the meet the team, and like this guy, Steven, the CEO, he's been with Ubisoft, with EA Games, Assassin's Creed, Ghost Recon, Burnout. There's a lot of pretty high-level games there. If you go to the co-founder, Ash, Mortal Kombat, Gotham Knights, Suicide Squad, so these guys are veterans. And then you go down, you got some strategic advisors like Board Elon and Justin Taylor, some other people that are big in the blockchain space and are well-known in cryptocurrency. So not a starter project. This is something where these people know what they're doing and they have experience, and that's why I think this is going to be such a successful demo, which is now coming out in 3 weeks. Yes! Let's take a little quick look at the game features for this. So this is the game. It's called Voxie Tactics. You take your NFTs, or I'm assuming if you don't own an NFT, because they're going to allow everybody to play, whether you own an NFT or not. You're just going to have some advantages if you own one of their Genesis NFTs. But you're going to take these little characters and you're going into battle with them. So I'm going to show you guys a little trailer video here in just a second. But it's a strategic role-playing game. You have different combinations of people with different spells and weapons and different things. Kind of think about like a Final Fantasy, something in that family where you have multiple characters that are working together to battle and using different skills in these battles. Endless combinations, lots of different ways to go through the battle. It says they seamlessly integrate with these NFTs, and I'll show you one. I am fortunate enough that I picked one up early on, and I've held on to it because I'm excited about this game. So some benefits, I'll explain to you all of that if you're interested in picking up an NFT. There's still some available around half an ETH, 0.6 ETH. I expect in the next 2 to 3 weeks you're going to see that floor moving up. So if you're thinking about getting one, probably a good time to pick it up now. Free to play and play to earn. So You can play it if you want to. You can jump in and actually be earning tokens if you want to. Depends how you want to do it. A big world, cute collectible pets. My character, I'll show you, my character has a pet. So I'm excited. I'm going to get to find out what this is all about. And I'll share it with you guys. All right. Well, let's take a minute and we're going to jump right in and I will show you this demo. All right, as I said, there's lots of different characters and different classes and races and ways to play this, like a lot of role-playing games. You can see them here, everything from humans, squires, and mummy monsters, and skeleton monsters, and fox pirates, and all sorts of different unique, with different traits and different abilities. I'll show you one. This is mine. This is my uncommon, it's called a Nighthawk. It's a flying character, and you see this little bouncing egg. That means that I will have a virtual pet. We haven't hatched the pets yet, so I don't know what kind of pet I will get, but I'll get a virtual pet to accompany my character. And you can see that they have different properties. As you can see, some things are more common than others. This is considered an uncommon rarity one, but armor, dexterity, intelligence, luck, movement, strength, and then you have weapons to go on top of this. Anybody who owns these has been also earning tokens. So as you can see, I've got 129 voxel tokens. I earn 21.57 each week. If I owned more NFTs, I could be earning more tokens, but I'm fortunate enough. I'm glad I have the one. There's some special combinations. They had some games kind of if you could get three of the, the starter, one, a human, an animal, and a fantasy one, you could get this sword NFT dropped to you and different things like that. I haven't been able to pick up any more than the one that I own, but the one that I own is going to get me in the door, and that's really what I care about. And as far as the details of all of this, like I say, they're going to be giving this demo to their content creators around the 18th, so that they can kind of build out some trailers and build out some things to put on and start getting everybody hyped. And then the 22nd is actually going to be the launch. So if you are thinking about picking up one of these NFTs, you want to be in on the early token launch, you want to be in on, actually I don't have any definitive information, but I suspect from knowing this team that they're going to let some of us get in early on the tokens if we own the NFTs. It's kind of been the standard thing. So if you're thinking that this is a game you want to get involved in, it may be worth considering picking up, at a half an ETH or a 0.6 ETH, going ahead and picking up one of these NFTs so you have some access to it. And also, on the 22nd is the demo. I don't know how complete it's going to be. I don't know how much gameplay there's going to be. I don't know if there's going to be parts that are reserved for those of us who have NFTs. Not a ton of information, but a lot more than we had, and we know that it's only a few weeks out. As I said, they're working on finishing up the smart contracts right now for the token. The token is going to be on Polygon, so we're not going to have to worry about gas when it comes to that token, and that's going to be great because I think most of the in-game NFT assets that you pick up along the way as you play, those are all going to be on Polygon too, so it can be nice and fast and inexpensive. These original ones are on Ethereum. The original NFTs were sold on Ethereum, but who knows, maybe they'll even transfer those over at some point. And they expect those smart contracts to be finished up sometime in November. So probably look for, tokens to be coming out before the end of the year on this project. I do expect, these tokens to be something worth investing in. I think that this game is going to do really well. It looks to be the first kind of higher level play to earn game that has come out, that really was designed by people in the video game industry, that had some, some more financial backing and was a little more of a, for a lot of the play to earn games that are out there right now, it feels like if it wasn't earning me money, I wouldn't be playing it. It's just not fun enough to do on its own. This looks like a game that you could sit and play for hours and hours and hours, just having fun playing it, even if you weren't earning anything. But guess what? You can be earning. So anyway, hammer the like and subscribe down at the bottom so that you stay with me, so that everybody gets to see the new Voxie updates, and so that you can get updated when the token goes on sale. And then if you have questions, drop them in the comments. Who knows, there's some AMAs probably going to come up where they're going to answer questions about this. I'll be glad to try to pitch it to them and see what I can find out for you guys. Really appreciate you sticking with me through this video. Hope to see you some out there in the Voxel land, and we can team up and attack some monsters. All right, aloha guys.